What's up guys, DJ from Art of Visuals, and today we're coming at you with a fresh gear review. We're going to be talking all about the MSI P50 and the Summit MS321UP Monitor. These are the newest additions to MSI Creator Series, and they're absolutely phenomenal. Let's check them out. So this is the latest in MSI's technology, and it's tailor-made for people who do video, 3D modeling, rendering, and design. So starting off with the physical design of the computer, for how much tech this has in it, this thing is tiny. It has a nice white design with a really cool vector shaped design on the front of it. And what I personally think is really cool is the power button is built into this vector design. It also has RGBs on the front that are subtle and minimal and really well done. Starting off with the graphics card, this has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX, which is the latest in graphics technology. It also has up to an 11th gen Core i7 8-core processor. It also has dual channel memory with DDR4 boost technology. It also has Wi-Fi 6E with speeds up to 2.4 gigabytes per second. It has Thunderbolt 4, which delivers the fastest and most versatile connection to any dock, display, or data device. So what does all this mean for you as a creator? Well, MSI has packed the latest and greatest tech into this computer. So number one, that future-proofs you, but it also gives you the fastest upload speeds, the best data transfer speeds, and really fast render times. It's kind of the best of both worlds. You get to render really fast, you can max this thing out with super fast RAM, and when it comes time to upload your video, you have the fastest Wi-Fi available or the fastest Thunderbolt available. So another feature that I'm really excited about on the P50 is AI noise canceling. So this makes it so you can plug any old pair of headphones into your P50 and it uses AI to cancel and drown out the noise. So everything from keyboard noise to a dull hum in the background to yelling and screaming and stuff like that, you can just throw on your headphones, drown out the noise, and get in your flow and work. I can see this being really beneficial for people who are in noisy offices or people like me who have kids. It's a great feature, and you can really tell that MSI has put creators at the forefront of their thinking as they develop things like this. All right, so what good is an amazing desktop without an amazing monitor to match? That is where the Summit MS321UP Monitor comes in. So the 321UP is a 32-inch 4K UHD display. From the outside, it might just look like a regular monitor, but MSI has packed a ton of amazing and super useful technology in here for creators. We're gonna run through just a few of those features right now. So the first feature is picture-in-picture, and this is something that almost no other monitors on the market have. So you can connect two sources to this monitor from different inputs and run them at the same time on the screen. So where would picture-in-picture be useful for creators? Well, for something like mixing audio on one device and running video on another device, that could be one use case. Or let's say you're watching a movie while you're trying to edit a video and you don't want it on a separate screen. There's a million different use cases for this, and this is something that I see as being super useful for the future of creating. So this is not your average run-of-the-mill display. This is an IPS panel designed for a premium quality picture. They've thought about things like eye care and anti-flicker, and they have a blue light reducing technology that protects your eyes while you're working long hours. This monitor has all of the modern and current IOs, and it also includes something called reversible USB-C, which basically means that you can power, daisy chain, and run other USB-C devices off of the monitor. It also has a built-in SD card reader, which to me says that they're thinking about creators first, because this is something that just makes offloading footage even that much easier. This monitor also comes with something called Intuitive Screen Assistance. Now what this is an overlay on the screen that gives you actual dimensions for things like a business card or a piece of paper, so that you can overlay and see what this is actually going to look like to size on a screen. So between this desktop and this monitor, MSI is really thinking about the future of connectivity and creativity. These are the newest addition to their lineup, and something that I would highly recommend if you want something that's gonna last a long time and be able to connect to all kinds of stuff in the future. So thanks guys so much for watching. Go ahead and smash that like button if you like this video, hit subscribe, or hit that notification bell if you wanna be notified when we drop videos just like this one. Thanks for hanging, and we'll see you on the next one.